Okay, I've seen people coming into this business. They have clients, paying clients that actually gave him a deposit or an investment, but they don't even know what is a domain. And now they want to ask questions and they don't know what they are doing. This is for you guys. What is a domain? A domain is like your website's home address or your personal home address, but on the internet. Just like a physical store needs an address so people can find it, a website needs a domain name so people can visit it. For example, Google.com is Google's domain. When someone types it into their web browser, it takes them to Google's website. Now, paying for a domain is like paying a rent for your website address. Here's how it works in simple steps. First of all, you have to choose a domain name. For example, mybusiness.com. Secondly, you have to pick a domain registrar. A domain registrar is a company that sells domains, and popular ones include GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, also Google Domains, now managed by Squarespace. Number 3, check availability. Use the registrar's search tool to see if you or your desired domain name is available. If it is taken, you'll need to try a different name. So once you have your domain name, pay for the domain. Most domains cost around about 200 to 400 Rand. That's normally for a .com domain per year. So you do not pay this every month. It's a yearly or annual payment. But you do get ones that are more expensive. You also can get a .co.za domain at GoDaddy for about $100. You can pay for it with your credit card, PayPal, or other online payment methods. However, you will need to renew this domain on an annual basis, or you can just set it up to auto renewal. Now, to show you a registrar like GoDaddy, let's just go into the site and we're going to type in peterpancatering.co.za and we're going to search the domain. Let's see what it does. It says this could be the start of something big. So we have available peterpancatering.co.za for 84 Rand. Okay. Now understand this is a payment for 1 year, and after 1 year you have to renew this, and most probably you will have to renew it at a higher cost. Okay, let's see what else is available. We have peterpancatering.com available for 4.32 Rand. Hey man, that is great. That's even cheaper than the .co.za domain, but be careful. This is the first year only on a 3-year term. So let's look at what it will cost you on a 3-year term. So for your first year, everything inclusive, okay, you're looking at 402.50 Rand. So please guys, make sure of what you are doing, what you are paying for. Also, this does not include an email address. Email you have to pay for extra, but there's another way, and I will put the details down below, where you can get a business email for free. You heard me correctly, for free. And I will show you how to do that. So let's go back and we look at hosting. What is hosting and how does it work? Website hosting is like renting a space on the internet where your website lives. It is where all the files like your pictures, text, and videos that make up your website are stored. How does hosting work? First of all, storing website files. When you create a website, you build it on your computer. You cannot do this on your phone. Maybe on a tablet, but not on your phone. To make it available to people online, you need to upload all the website files to a server, which is a powerful computer. Hosting companies provide these servers. Secondly, make your website accessible. When someone types in your domain, like mybusiness.com, their browser connects to the server where your website is hosted and shows them the content. In this case, Zip360 will be your hosting provider, or for international clients, it will be Go High Level or one of their associates, or whoever you choose outside of these two entities.